In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Workdocs in Monday.com. This process will guide you through creating and sharing documents efficiently within the platform. Let's get started with our journey into the world of Monday.com's Workdocs. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Make sure you're on the home page where you can see the option to log in. Once you're on the site, click on the login button. This will bring you to the authentication page where you'll be prompted to choose your method of logging in. If you have a Google account linked to Monday.com, go ahead and click on the Google button. This will allow you to select your Google account and log in seamlessly. Once you're logged into Monday.com, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a plus icon, and that's your next destination. Clicking on this plus icon is how you'll add a new Workdoc. After you've done that, the next step involves clicking on the doc option. This is the heart of our task today, where you'll create your document. Now that we're here, you're presented with two options. You can either click on New Doc to start from scratch, or opt for a template if you prefer a structured starting point. Both options are great depending on your needs and the purpose of your document. After you've chosen, it's time to give your new document a name. This step is crucial as it helps you and your team identify the document easily in the future. Think of a name that's both descriptive and concise. With a name in place, we now turn our attention to the privacy settings of your document. Consider carefully who needs access. Monday.com offers a range of privacy settings, so choose wisely based on who you want to collaborate with or keep informed. Once you're satisfied with the document name and privacy settings, it's time to click that Create Doc button. And just like that, you have successfully created your Workdoc. Your new document is ready for work, but what about adding content? Look to the top left corner of your document. That's where you'll find the Add button. So click on this to introduce various elements to your document, whether it's text, images, or other media. Enhancing your document is straightforward and intuitive. Finally, once you're satisfied with the content, sharing your document is a breeze. On the top right corner, you will see the Share button. This lets you easily share your work with colleagues or external collaborators. You also have the option to create a public link if you need to share the document with people outside of the platform. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Workdocs in Monday.com. With these steps, you'll be able to efficiently create, personalize, and share documents within your team, enhancing collaboration and productivity.